Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. With the name of God, all merciful, most merciful. Ramadan teaches us many things. One of those things I'm reminded of by this place is the teaching of the Prophet, that if he had true trust in God, he would feed you and sustain you the way he sustains the birds. They leave their nests in the morning starving, and they return in the evening full and satisfied. In other words, entrust everything to God and God will look after you. Those are some of the many qualities that we learn. Tawakkul, to trust in God, literally means to make God your agent, your wakil. So if God is your agent, then you can just rest that everything is taken care of. Now, the famous verse of the Qur'an about fasting is often mistranslated at the end. يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. O people who achieve inner security, fasting is prescribed for you as it was for those before you, that you may become shields, or that you may save yourselves. That's the literal meaning. It's often translated God consciousness, etc., but God is not mentioned in that verse actually. The literal meaning, following Ibn Arabi and other great Sufi teachers, is that people of faith literally means people who achieve inner security, peace, contentment. Secondly, fasting is not a new tradition. It was prescribed for those before you. All of the major world religions have a tradition of fasting. And of course it is great that we find many of our Jewish and Christian friends and from other religions are fasting Ramadan. Muslims are fasting Lent, because it is all the same tradition given to Noah, Abraham, Moses, Mary, Jesus Christ, and the Prophet Muhammad, of course. But لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ means literally that you save yourselves, or that you become shields. In other words, shields against evil, against the internal demons, external demons as well, and forces for goodness in this world and in the next. So there we are. I'll leave it there for my Ramadan bites. These birds and ducks are looking for food. In a couple of hours' time it will be time to break the fast, and I'll be going home soon to do that. But anyway, have a blessed Ramadan, and may the peace, mercy and blessing of God be upon all of humanity during this holy month. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.